This is Randy Horowitz with Century 21 Masters, Randy Horowitz and Associates. I am so excited and so proud to show you this new listing at 901 Pine Ridge Street here in this immaculate neighborhood in North Upland. Let's go take a look. Okay, this home has 1,908 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms plus a loft, though that loft was a builder option for a 4-bedroom. We have a beautiful living room, family room, and wait till I show you the backyard. This home sits on a large 9,384 square foot lot that was so thoughtfully designed and beautifully maintained for family enjoyment, but also for low maintenance. It includes RV parking, block walls, scenic view of the San Gabriel Mountains, just ready for family barbecues and family enjoyment. Other wonderful features of this home are a downstairs bedroom and bath. We also have dual-pane windows throughout this home, Plantation shutters. We also have a 3-car garage. It includes the washer and dryer. There is so much that comes with this home. I can't wait for you to enjoy. In addition to the family room, this home has a beautiful living room and dining room. And other things I want to share with you is this home has all new exterior paint, all new interior paint, and has just been kept so beautifully. At 901 Pine Ridge Street, you're not just buying a home, you're securing a lifestyle enriched by Upland's unique blend of natural beauty, convenience, and community spirit.